Welcome to the Livingston Solar Farm. This solar farm is roughly 8 acres, generates 1.4 megawatts of electricity. Annually, the solar farm generates about 10% of Livingston campus's electricity needs, which is really quite impressive. And it's also really quite large. As you can see, the panels all face in the most optimal direction for sunlight. Here's a closer view. The way these panels work is they collect sunlight in a photovoltaic system, which basically means that these solar panels can peel light apart the same way that a bubble would. If you look at a bubble and you notice all the different colors, it's the same thing that happens in a solar panel. Light hits the panel and it vibrates and peels a ray of light apart into the many different colors that you would see on a bubble. Each panel has roughly 35 different photovoltaic conductors. They're about 1/4 foot squared. The success of this solar panel project inspired another. Rutgers University is soon to open, also on Livingston campus, another solar farm. It will actually be over a parking deck that they're building. It will be nearly triple the size, with roughly 30 acres of cover. The panels will generate closer to 10 megawatts of power, and together the two solar projects will account for nearly 60% of the Livingston campus's electricity needs. Coming soon, by the end of 2012. Here's a larger view of how far the solar farm extends. And then triple of this will be on top of a parking deck. The electricity from these solar panels is collected off that way in 2 big reactors, which are a lot more like batteries, and they store the energy. Makes about $200,000 every year for the university, which basically means it saves about $200,000 of electricity every year. The university also gets things like energy credits, which they can sell. Making the solar farm a practical way for the university to make some money.